Welcome to another MyTrack training video. We are going to discuss item class and item number. These are two very simple concepts. Please review the catalog and category training video for more information on how to group your items for searching capabilities and filtering for reports. But very similar to those is what we call item class. Every item in your system can be assigned a item number or an item class. These are drop downs and you could scroll through those and are user definable. The large example would be item class would be like ABC inventory, where type A inventory are those highly volatile, very expensive parts. B inventory would be those that don't move as often, not as expensive, and C would be those run-of-the-mill parts that are not very expensive, lots of quantity on them, but they're not a big impact on your inventory. And you could classify them in different ways. That's just one example. These are user defined. You put your classes in there, totally optional, but you go to item maintenance, item class maintenance, and you could actually add your items in. So I could actually go in this class and actually say A, class A part. Then you could have a class B part. You could do the same thing with categories and catalogs, but this is a simpler way if you just have a little specific calculation. Now, you can't assign a class, a single item, to multiple classes or multiple item numbers, just like opposite of catalog and categories, where you could have one item in multiple catalogs and categories at the same time. And same thing for item number. This is just a reference. You could use it for whatever purpose you desire, but it's for filtering, searching. A lot of people use it for inventory control. One example, like an item number, would be like a machined part versus a wood part versus a bar stock, or it could be customer specific type information. And once you have those items in there, you could come to MyTrack item maintenance and actually adjust your items. You can just scroll through them and select the item that's appropriate and you click save. The item underneath item class, that's not the same thing as item number. Think of this as if you have a blueprint or a schematic and you had multiple blueprints, multiple parts. Sometimes the designers actually number the different parts of the product. This is where you'd put that information in, but it's also used as a user definable, so you could actually make any value you want in there. It's not a drop down list, you type it in. Okay, that is item maintenance with item class and item number.